Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on WeChat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your security code. Once you have logged in using the verification code, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start chatting with various people right away. Now, if you wish to change your phone number, then tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into your profile page. Now tap on Settings and then tap on Account Security. This will now take you into your account settings page, within which you will find your phone number. Just tap on your phone and you will see the Change Phone option. Just tap on this button and now you will be allowed to enter your new phone number. Just type in your desired new phone number within this box and then click on the Next button. Once you click on Next, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your new phone number. Just check your SMS and you will find this verification code. Just copy this code and paste it within this verification box and then tap on the Next button. And now your phone number will successfully be changed on your WeChat account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your phone number on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.